offering an exceptional opportunity for astute investors, first home buyers, or those after an ideal city pad. This fully equipped executive apartment showcases a sought-after lifestyle of ultimate convenience. Hi, my name is Blake Ostentock, proudly representing Pello. Let's go check it out. Entering the property, you are instantly met with abundant natural light from a prominent northeasterly position, as well as an open floor plan. Moving through the home, you are met with luxury finishes, plentiful storage options, and a separate home office area. Other features include preferred gas cooking, level lift access, security intercom, concierge, large undercover balcony, and dedicated internal laundry. What will stand out to so many buyers, apart from the luxury finishes, northeastern aspect, and these beautiful common grounds, is the fact that we're in the very heart of St Leonards, with everything you could want is within walking distance. The station, regular government transport, fine dining, and all other amenities are at your doorstep. After walking through this property, I know that it presents the absolute best in Lower North Shore living. If you have any questions, feel welcome to give me a call. If not, I'll see you at the next inspection.